Hello everyone, myself Sai Muthu Prasanna. Team name is Destiny Boys. Team ID is 4414, track is 2 and theme is social and human values. In this video, we are going to see how our physical product is different from others. In addition, in this video, we are going to see the different products in aspects of design, price, material use, dimensions, Indian moral values. First, we are going to see the different type of products that are selling on Amazon. Now we are going to see about Astachama board game details. These are the details which is available in Amazon, and we just use this product, and we are going to give a differentiation at the end of this slide. And next game we just taken is Pachisi Ludo board game details, and these are the details which is given in Amazon. You can buy this product in Amazon. And next we are going to see about Indian Ludo board game details. These details have been given in Amazon, and we can able to purchase it also in Amazon. Next we are going to see next one type of prototype which is similar to us, Chauka Bara board game details. This is a game details which is available in Amazon, and I'm just going to give a comparison at the end of this slide. Next we are going to take the different. That is not our type, but I'm just taken from other type. This is Ludo board game details which is available. We can also buy it from Amazon, and I will give you an explanation at the end of the slide. And this is a Kattamana board game details which is similar to our work, so I'm just taken this link as a reference. Next board game is Kangichana board game. In this board we can also buy it from Amazon. This is not a wooden board, it is a fabric thing. I will explain with comparison. And next we are going to use Ludo traditional board game details. These are the detail for Ludo traditional board design, and at the end of the slide I will explain with comparison. And this is our Diabos board game. We are going to give you a presentation regarding comparison of ours and existing toys. Now we can see the comparison of all the reference which we have taken. This is a comparison chart between conventional toy games and our toy games. I have just taken aspects like design, price, material use, dimension, and moral values and coins. You can see everything, and at conclusion we just conclude while comparing with others, ours is best than comparing with other type of toys. I am going to give you a points regarding your work. We conclude that our physical toy has design, unique design, price, reasonable price, material we used is wooden materials used, dimension is 36 into 36 cm. For moral values, we use Tirukural to teach some moral values. Coins we used, coins are made up of food. Additional feature, we introduced some kind of powers like power card and wooden case to keep the coins and card and dice. How our digital product differs from others. We are going to give an example which is taken from Play Store, which is available in existing app, and I'm going to do a comparison with our app. First, we are going to take Dime. Dime is an existing app which is uploaded in Play Store. I will give a suggestion and I will tell the difference between this game and with others. And next, we are going to say Isto King Ludo game. This is an existing app which is available in Play Store, and I will give the comparison with this game with others. And next, we are going to see about Tukka for Indian Ludo. This is a game which is available in Play Store, and these are the details which is given in Play Store, and I will give a comparison with ours while giving us a table chart. And next we are going to say about, and next we take is Marakatta. I will give you an explanation why I didn't use this app, and I am telling why I am going to use mine. I will give the explanation at the end of the slide. And this is a mini Ludo freeboard game, Astachamba Sad City. This game is available in Play Store. It is a similar model which we developed, but it has different meaning than us. This is a Diabos game which we developed, and we are going to host it in Play Store. And I will give an example why we want to use our game, and I will give you an explanation why we don't want to use that game. This is a comparison chart between conventional toy games and our toy game. You want to see design aspects, a number of coins for each player, and Indian ethical values, extra powers given. While compared with others, we can see in our points like Astachama design with traditional design, and depending upon the player's wish, they can select their coins minimum of 2 and maximum of 16. Each theme in the game indicates Indian art, Vedas, literature and traditional values. We introduced extra powers like power cards, and we have chatbot. By the points, we can conclude that design is unique design which is inspired from Indian traditional values, and application we are going to release as mobile application. Moral values, we use Tirukural to teach some moral values. Number of coins used, we can decide what we want to use it. And additional feature, we introduce power card and chatbot, and the updates will be given in later period of time. And now we are going to see how we are going to manufacture and develop in our game. While we compare with physical prototype, we have less number of order. We will give a design to the work of carpenter for making the wood carvings because carpenters are now suffering without any jobs. We will use CNC machine if we got so much of work. In digital prototype, we just develop the use of Python now. In future, we use other software to develop it. And future, we make in partnership with Braina company to develop our idea and design into mobile application. Now we are going to see how we are implementing our game to the market. In physical prototype, we are going to sell it online shopping market like Amazon and other markets. We will have our own website for ordering our product. We'll give a promotion of our work with the help of social media platform. In digital prototype, we are going to host in Play Store, App Store and other application platform. We will have our own website for downloading our application. We will promotion of our work with the help of social media platform. We will give a QR code along with our physical toy. Next, I am going to give a summary of research. The main motive of Toy Hackathon to resemble Indian culture. So we are implementing a unique design which represents our Indian style. We will play the game. It will give some knowledge about Tirukural and Indian Vedas. Next, we are going to see about a point. We are implementing Indian culture to the game, so it gives a unique look for our game. No games in a Play Store doesn't resemble our Indian culture. No games in a Play Store doesn't have a power card, but our has a power card. So it gives excitement for players to play with interest. And next point, the traditional values are getting lost in each center and more inclined towards the offensive game and videos. And we are mainly focusing on building social values engaged towards traditional games and building character, critical and creative thinking, problem-solving capabilities could help in better challenge the energy of creativity of youngsters. So we made our justification why we want to implement our toy in Indian market. Thank you. Jai Hind.